Hello and welcome to the Accent Bank by Sarah Valentine. My name is Jake and I was born in Kilbride. I am proud to come from Scotland and my accent is Glaswegian. Now I am going to read the following sentences starting with a tongue twister. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. A peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked. She sells on the seashore. I have parked my car near the garage. If you're looking for it, it's a blue Nissan. The sun is so hot today. I love summer. I like to go walking on the beach, but I also love it when it rains and I'm inside and I can hear it on the roof. Would you like a glass of water? For breakfast, I would love a coffee, and could I please have some eggs, 2 pieces of toast, and some mushrooms? I love to eat bananas. I don't think it's a good idea to be rude to people. Kindness is free. My favourite animal is a cat, but I like dogs too. I would love to travel to a few of these cities: London, Paris, New York, Los Angeles, Tokyo, Berlin, Amsterdam, Athens, Lagos, Barcelona, Rome, Dubai, Vancouver, Moscow, Singapore, Sydney, Dublin. Be kind to one another. Lastly, if you want to learn accents, remember to go to actorsaccentcoach.com. Now I'm going to count from 1 to 20 and do the alphabet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Letters and words. A is for apple. B is for banana. C is for Charlie. D is for dog. E is for egg. F is for frog. G is for gold. H is for hello. I is for ice cream. J is for joy. K is for king. L is for lemon. M is for mother. N is for nut. O is for orange. P is for pepper. Q is for queen. R is for Rosie. S is for Sarah. T is for tomorrow. U is for umbrella. V is for Valentine. W is for water. X is for X-ray. Y is for yellow. And Z is for zebra. I can be found on Instagram called Irrelevant Pictures 123. And this is where I post my photography skills. Have a good day now. Cheerio. Bye bye.